everyone, welcome back to Sunday Live Channel. Thank you so much guys for tuning in. To all my subscribers, thank you so much guys for amazing support, and if you are new, you are welcome. Please don't hesitate to press that subscribe button and the notification bell so that you don't miss anything that I'm going to upload next on this channel. Well guys, UMNAKWETHU Happily Ever After is back for another season. The previous season guys angered many people ngendaba Mashelembe, who was humiliated on a national TV by her husband. Yesterday, we had a chance to meet Mashelembe's mother-in-law, who defended his son with everything she had, revealing that her son well-treated Mashelembe. Listen, this show ngumntanakhe akazimukeli kahle. She really painted Mashelembe as a bad person, ngokuthi akhulume kabi ngendoda yakhe, and Masithole as a good person. Ongasikho ke lokho abantu abaningi abakubona ku-TV. She also advised his son to be truthful if ezimisele ngampela ngalesithembu sakhe. On the previous episode guys, Mr. Langa revealed that uMashelembe usadiniwe akafuna ukuzwa kwanto ngaye. Guys, Mashelembe gave birth to a beautiful baby, and it seems as if akayingeni ngampela indaba kaLanga. uLanga guys uyindoda edonsa kanzima, but uyazama, uyambona ukuthi uyazama, engakwazi ukuthi ke uzokwazi yini ukumela isithembu financially. Yesterday he said uthenga indawo la ezokwakhela khona uMashelembe noMasithole, but the first thing ekufanele usayenze ukuthi abuild a solid relationship between uMashelembe and uMasithole. Let's move along guys to this guy called Udulas. Each and every season he introduced a new girlfriend. He is not paying lobola to anyone, but he keep on adding them. I really doubt he understand ukuthi yini isithembu lo bhuti. Guys, thank you so much guys for watching this video. Please leave your comment below and share your opinion in the first episode of UMNAKWETHU Happily Ever After. Bye.